local government unit and the people around and behind did recognize that intense research that he has done to make sure this piece of work and art and performance has well represented the effort of the early settlers of Baguio. Na yun yung ginawa niya na hindi na-recognize ng turista nor even the government agencies as well presented that concept. But again, it's done is done. Okay na rin siya naka-move on. So good thing, binawasan ng city ang kasalanan, binigyan siya ng opisina sa baba ng City Hall. So happy na siguro si Sir Gilbert dito. So before I proceed to the next speaker, thank you Facebook for letting me know that they're almost about to forget also the representation of the Igorot Global Organization. Honestly, I'm in no position to speak about the Igorot Global Organization, but as a young artist back then who was given the opportunity to represent the organization, I am here to present to you my story, my journey, which is supposed to benefit ang mga artists. Where in the end, this is where I realized the importance of a gallery. That during my early years as an artist, I didn't recognize and realize yung mga sinasuggest sa akin. I was young, stubborn, with no white hair. Na yung suggestion nila culminated to the point that Igorot Global Organization gave me the opportunity to go sa stage. To be one of the youngest to represent sana ang mga young Igorot doon under the recommendation of Sir Art Tibaldo as part of the documentation team. I was so young, I don't have a business permit, I don't have any financial credential to apply for a visa. Thanks to the galleries who helped me, I was able to manage to raise 10,000 to pay the opportunity to be interviewed sa embassy. Sana sa DTI, may program kayo to train artists how to prepare themselves for international representation, starting with the visa and developing your portfolio to be credible as an ambassador of art and culture. Sana may training ang art gallery to be a competent training provider sa mga artists, kasi ang artists, kung saan nanggagaling ang pera, nakikinig sila. Ayan ang valuable na connection sana ng art gallery to educate our young artists to prepare themselves for the international opportunity. At that time, I was young and stubborn. I did not listen. I worked my butt out to come up with a piece of artwork just to sell. Pinargin ko pa para may pang visa processing. To take these opportunities ng IGO, which is to be part of the first 100-year anniversary ng Igorot sa St. Louis, Missouri, sa USA. I went to the embassy half-hearted, not even knowing how important it was. Now, as old as I am, I realize I blew it. It would have been an opportunity for me to appreciate what it is to become an 13th artist award sana. It could have driven me to push my career as an artist forward. Kasi nakita ko, when you're young, you get the money, that's it. That's just the way of life. But if only the government agency or respected agency will find some sort of training to educate us, young artists or emerging artists, to understand our future, what it takes to become a future advocate and ambassador, it could have been a beautiful story to tell. So the least story I can share you now, especially our IPMR representative, let's start molding our young artists deep within and let them be our representative. Let them be our advocate. Because sa totoo lang, I envy our fellow Cordillerans and IP overseas. When I saw them perform, shucks, mas magaling pa sila mag-perform with some of our Baguio-born, rural-born native. Kaya yung mga anak ko, pinadala ko sa province, so they will appreciate our culture. Dito kasi TikTok dance. So we hope that our fellow viewers, YouTube University, and fellow artists, let's not forget our roots. And hopefully also the lesson shared to us by our friend, how our $100 motivated us, motivated him near the fireplace, not exactly to win, but to survive. And this is the story of our residency story, not the natives of our place. So we hope that NCCA will continue helping us, pushing this program further, that it will be more opportunity for us to push the marginalized stories of our local heroes. Sana may next na film also na gagawin na para sa mga na heroes canvas sana na kwento nito is yung story of our artists and also how our local galleries, emerging galleries, can take the part of mediating also of how we could use art to bring back something to our economy. Not utilizing the local currency, but become also an OFW hero of bringing dollars in to our country. Not just through awards, but also through the dignity and favorable stories for people to come to the Philippines, walk through the jungles and meet our artists, stay in our galleries, and watch our film. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to our friend who traveled far from Cannon Road